Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the snipping tool menu bar and the toolbar. If you want to learn about how to take a screenshot by using the snipping tool, you can see the description of the video. I will paste the link of that video where I explain about how to take a screenshot by using the snipping tool. In this video, I am going to explain about menu bar and toolbar used in snipping tool. Firstly, we have to open the snipping tool. Now we can see that there are different options available in the snipping tool. First one is new. New is used for new snip. Second one is mod. It shows the different type of snips. Like first one is freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. And next one is delay. How much delay you want for snipping. Firstly, I will use freeform snip. In the freeform snip, you can use custom area as per you want. You can see that it shows just that area I selected previously. Now you saw that we have more options available here. Like in file menu, we have new snip, save as, send to, print and exit. I will explain new snip after completing this menu. Firstly, we will click on save as. Save as is used for saving that image. You can choose the destination area, then write the name, click on save. Next one is send to. Send to is used for sending this image via attachment to email, someone's email. Click on email receipt. It will be open your email account. Now you can write here the email ID. It's already attached. And after writing the email ID, you have to click on send. Next option is print. If you want to print out this image, if the printer is attached with your computer, click on print, select the printer and click on print. It will be print out your content. Last one is exit. If we click on exit, then this window is closed. Now I will explain on new snip. When we click on new snip, it will be show new options, first options again. Like we can change the mode. It's select all the window. Now you can see that it comes in this window. All the window comes here. I'm going to explain edit menu. In the edit menu, you can see that we have copy. Copy means if you want to paste, want this content in the another file, click on copy, open another software, paste here. Now you can see that your copy content is available here. And the next one is edit with Paint 3D. Click on it. It will be open in Paint 3D and you can make any changes by using the paint object. Select the color, choose the brush, and you can see that according to brush type, it shows the painting here. After completing your editing, you can click on menu, save the file, write the file name and click on save. It's saved in the Paint 3D. Now I'm going to explain third option, Tools option. Click on Tools. There is a pen. The default options are red pen, blue pen, black pen. You can choose anyone if you can choose anyone which one you want. If you want to choose the custom pen ink, click on Customize. Choose the color from here, thickness of the pen, tip type, then click on OK. You can write anything here. If you want to use the highlighter, click on here and you can highlight anything. Or you can click here for highlighter. If by mistake you did like a highlight anything, click on eraser and just click on it. It's back. Okay, next option is options. Click on options and here you can choose the ink color, selection ink color, like I'm going to use blue. Then OK. When I click on new, now it shows the blue ink color. Previously it shows red one. Last option is help. If you need any help regarding this snipping tool, you can click on help. It goes to Microsoft and shows all the options details available here. Or you can know about snipping tool in the about section. Here it shows that your Windows and version of corporation, all the details about the snipping tool and the snipping tool version. If you have any question regarding this, just comment on this video. I will explain about more. Thank you.